Hi, it's Phil in Bangkok.com. I'm just here at Phrom Phong BTS station, just by Emporium Mall here. Just looking at this construction site that's been going on for quite a while. But it's quite a big project they're doing here. It's I imagine it's going to be another mall or residence as well. Like we need another mall in Bangkok, but it seems that that's what's happening. After Mega Bang now opened up and Central Plaza and Terminal 21. Still more to come. See, it's quite a huge piece of land here that they've developed. In the middle of the area here. Yeah, lots of construction going on. You'll see lots of cranes in Bangkok here. I don't know if you can see, but over there's a few cranes there, and then there's a few cranes in behind the far cranes over there, and then there's some cranes over there as well. So lots of building. It's constantly changing. There's another new project here. You can see the top of the building up there. Some more cranes. But yeah, always lots of building going on. Always changing this place. It's you go away for 6 months even, or I was away for 2 months back in Canada, and I came back and it was crazy. And here comes the train. Swenson's is very popular here in Thailand. This train sponsored by Swenson's.